So this is just I have completed this dishwash area. The same thing we can follow into the room service. In this room service, I can see that coffee maker, tea maker, juicer mixer as well as the LED lighting. These are the common electrical equipment available into this room service. So we need to find out, an induction stove is also there. So here are almost 4 plus 1, that is total 5 numbers of electrical equipments are available into room service. So at the entry point, let us copy this, and same thing I will show here, that is 3 switches, 2 switch for independent LED lighting. So here I will draw like this. So this is I have just shown the power cable for this LED lighting. Then this juicer mixer, coffee maker and tea maker. Let us give here the switch and socket for this tea maker, or we can use the common for this coffee maker and tea maker. We can use alternate for coffee maker and a tea maker. This switch socket, this is the switch and this is a 3-pin socket we can use for this coffee maker as well as the tea maker. Keep the separate 3-pin socket and switch for this mixer or juicer, and the location of this switch and socket must be near the electrical equipment like this. Make sure that switch and socket must be easily accessible for the electrical equipment, so we can run that electrical equipment very easily. So we need the power cable like this, from here to here, and same from here to here, also from here to this juicer and mixer. So I have just drawn the power cable for the juicer mixer, coffee maker and the tea maker, and I have given the switch and socket for this entire room service. The same thing we will follow with cold kitchen. In this cold kitchen, we have just left this induction stove, so we can put this cable connection, power cable with this. So the entire induction stove can be run on this switch and socket. Now let us come to the cold kitchen. In this cold kitchen, there are 3 LED lighting is there, as well as induction stove which is run on an electrical supply, as well as the refrigerator is also there. For the refrigerator, we can give the 3-pin socket, as well as induction stove we will give 3-pin socket, and for this LED lighting we will give the separate 3-pin socket at the entry point. So here let us copy this and count that how many LED is there, LED lighting is there. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 plus 1 switches will be there. The orientation of the switches must be like this. It must be like this. So this is, I have just shown the 3-pin socket and the 4 number switches like this. For this induction stove, 1 switch and 1 3-pin socket will be there. For this refrigerator, we need to show the industrial socket, because the commercial refrigerator capacity must be or may be higher than 16 ampere current. So I have given over here the industrial socket for this refrigerator. Then the power cable from this socket to this, then from this refrigerator to like this LED lighting from here like this. We can draw like this one, this switch for this, and this is for this, and this is the spare switch for this 3-pin socket. So we have just completed this dishwash area, room service and cold kitchen.